Today we are going to discuss some important points related to elasticity. First point, it is the property of a body to oppose the change in its shape or size. If an external force is applied on the body to change its shape or size, body applied opposite force or elastic force. Second point, the property of elasticity is due to electromagnetic forces between its particles, atoms and molecules. Third point, particle or body attract each other and repel each other. Both these forces, it means when interparticles distance r decreases. The graph between forces and r as following at r equal to r naught. These forces are equal. This shows attractive force, this shows repulsive force. Attractive force is directly proportional to 1 upon r power n1. Repulsive force is directly proportional to 1 upon r power n2. n2 is greater than n1. Note a point for elastic body, n2 is greater than n1. For plastic body, n2 equal to n1. If n2 is less than n1, no such body is practically possible because it is unstable case. Stress, it is either compressional or stretching or bending. ये कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है, इसके ऊपर जब टेंजेंशियल फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं तो इसमें डेल्टा थीटा एंगल चेंज होता है। तो शेयर स्ट्रेन इक्वल टू इसमें शेयर स्ट्रेन इक्वल टू डेल्टा एक्स अपॉन एल इक्वल टू डेल्टा थीटा। इस पर जब फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे तो इसमें डेल्टा थीटा एंगल चेंज होता है। शेयर स्ट्रेस इक्वल टू फोर्स अपॉन एरिया। Strain, first the stress is produced, then the strain comes in exist. Strain is directly proportional to stress is the correct relation. Stress is directly proportional to strain is not correct. Shear strain, angle of bending or angle of twisting, shear strain equal to delta x upon h. Modulus of elasticity, y Young's modulus. Young's modulus y equal to longitudinal stress upon longitudinal strain. Bulk modulus b equal to hydraulic stress upon volumetric strain. Shear modulus eta equal to shear stress upon shearing strain. Hooke's law, it is strain is directly proportional to stress. It is true for elastic limit only. Stored potential energy per unit volume in the body have stressed. It is also energy density. Energy density of stressed wire equal to delta U upon volume. Potential energy half kx square upon volume. AL, A is cross sectional area, L is length of wire. So y equal to Young's modulus y equal to F upon A. This is stress. And x upon L, this is strain. तो F equal to y ax upon L, F equal to kx. इसे कंपेयर करेंगे तो k equal to ya upon L. एनर्जी डेंसिटी इक्वल टू हाफ kx स्क्वायर। इसकी वैल्यू से पुट करेंगे x स्क्वायर बाय al हाफ y x बाय l होल स्क्वायर। एनर्जी डेंसिटी इक्वल टू हाफ y स्ट्रेन स्क्वायर हाफ into stress upon strain into strain square. Energy density equal to half stress into strain. This is most important formula. Thank you.